Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up an Instacart shopper account and start earning money through grocery delivery, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete your registration. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Instacart shopper website or download the Instacart shopper app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on the Become a Shopper or Sign Up button on the homepage to begin the registration process. Step 3. Enter your personal information, including your full name, email address, phone number, and create a secure password for your account. Step 4. Provide your zip code to verify that Instacart services are available in your area and to determine which stores you'll be shopping from. Step 5. Complete the background check authorization by entering your social security number and agreeing to Instacart's terms and conditions. Step 6. Wait for the background check to process, which typically takes a few days. You'll receive an email notification once it's complete. Step 7. Once approved, set up your payment information by adding your bank account details for direct deposit of your earnings. Step 8. Complete any required training modules or orientation videos to learn about the shopping and delivery process. Step 9. Activate your shopper account and start browsing available batches in your area to begin earning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.